Yes.
That is very important. Every word is important.
Yes, yes. So now today's what the
What
today's agenda?
same only we will go further about the topic.
Hmm.
Do you see my screen? No, right?
I'm not able to see your screen.
I think also I given to create some tables also on your own. I give some field structures and all. Right?
That day, Miss, you have added some PPTs, right? That day I already created that day, first lecture.
You can go through that once that recording. Later I'll
Uh-huh.
search in my PPT also it will be there. Okay, na?
Okay, okay.
Yeah, this one only I think. This is the one that we discussed last session.
Where is that this PPT, sir? Exactly on YouTube. YouTube
No,
on your
this is
channel,
PPT. This is the PPT.
but this is uploaded on your channel, right?
Mm-hmm.
On your YouTube channel, is it?
No, this video is a YouTube channel. This is the PPT what I'm showing currently.
Correct, sir. But where it is uploaded? You will upload today or it is already uploaded?
No, wait. We don't upload anything in the YouTube, like a PPT. Only the
Okay.
video will be there in the PPT. This PPT I will give in the group, our class group.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Check it once the video, what last session video on the tune in my channel. I given homework. In the meantime, I also search exactly the PPT what I have done in the last session. Okay, no? I ask you people to create some tables, your own tables, and insert the data. Okay, no problem. So I'll create one new PPT, new topic in the dictionary, web dictionary only. So we'll go to other topic. What topic is? Domain. There is a domain concept, very important concept. A web dictionary only, database related concept. Domain. This is the domain. And domain will have data element. This is the data element. You can use the data element. You can use the domain inside the data element. And this data element you can use reusability. You can use in the multiple tables. Table 1, table 2.
Data elements in domain, right now? And
No,
that
no.
data domain
Data
in data
element, building the data element based on the domain.
domain.
And this you can also use in the program also. This is a program.
Okay, if you're building data elements based upon domain, that data elements can be reusable.
No, even without that also reusable, but you have more features in the domain.
Okay. That is the main difference. Because
This is the
even you
concept.
can use in tables, you can use programs also, right now.
Data element, but not domain.
Uh,
Domain is applicable only inside this data element only.
okay, sir, got it.
Okay. So what I do is I'll go to a table. I can create one more table quickly. Get image employee table. Click on create employee table.
So description, okay. Now you will enter field
Table class.
A.
Maintain
Browse.
download.
Um,
Sorry, display and maintain server, so that data you can insert.
yes.
Go to the
Field
fields here.
here.
MA,
Amenity. Primary initials. Data element amenity. Enter.
save it. But when you are saving, you lost the package name. Right? We can choose the
Ah.
previous package. Package like as a folder.
Folder. Yes.
For
Yes.
all your
Folder.
programs and tables. Now I'm saving that. Lost the transport request, whether you want to store the existing transport request or new transport request. It will take by default existing one. If you want to create, you can create your own transport request. Click on
We
create.
should go, but we should go with existing, right, sir?
Anything you can go because this is separate task. I'm creating separate. This is a separate system, not a system what you are using. That's why.
Okay. Okay. Got it.
Table. Employee table. Click on save. Enter here. Right now, the second field, employee number. Right. So this is also primary key concept here. What I do is I don't create a data element. I use somebody's which I have created maybe in this system. Okay. For that, what I do is I'll go to here, search like this. Whatever the name I created with this name, all my data elements will come here. Press enter here. Here. Search here. Not otherwise, right? The best place is go to SC11. SC11 here. You can search here as a data element. Go to the data type here. You can search here the better. You can search option here. It will ask you what you are searching for data elements. It gives all the data elements what I created.
In the past.
The past. I can choose this one. Copy this and paste here. No need to create again.
Why clicking create, sir? Already created, na?
So I already created. I will copy paste here. See, I just copy pasted here. So this you are reusing here. Reusability. This is the concept, right? This is the data element you are reusing here. Reusing. This I am building. And employee name also. You also
For
have
employee, sir, for this create now, you create not reuse, just create new for employee name.
This also I created earlier in this system. I'll go for existing one. Now what is going to do here? This is going to search the data elements available with this name. Save it now. I think because I have given here, it is searching with the data element here. But I'll search in the SC11 only. Go to here. Search here. Search for data element. Check it. There is any employee name here.
Yes.
There is the option. I'll choose this one here. Copy this. City also I'll search. Employee city. I'll search here Empire City also. ZMH. E star means whatever I started with the E will come. ZMAH.
Search for the elements now.
City.
Employee city. Third one. Okay.
So I'll copy paste this one. Control C, Control V. So we are reusing actually. No.
It will take everything, size, length, everything. It will take, right?
No, it takes automatically from the data element.
Mm.
Next step is gender. Gender, I'll create a new one. We'll
But
create.
sir, suppose I want to reuse this data element in the different package, then
Does not matter. Package does not matter. Wherever you are using that system, you can use it. Package does not matter.
but somewhere scope should be somewhere beyond the scope. So, suppose I am using in different. Okay, so whenever we create the data elements, it can you reuse anywhere.
Anywhere within that SAP system.
Within that, which system?
Within that SAP
SAP.
system.
Okay.
Within that system, SAP system, you can use in the program or in the table or anywhere you can use it.
Once I move package from one to UAT, means to quality system, there also we can reuse that same data element.
Correct. Stop package movement, you can say as the transport request movement. Now for the gender, I'll create a new one to make you understood because we are applying the domain concept. For that, what I do, ZMAH, I will create now two new one. G and gender.
Got it.
Press enter. It's not available.
Double
Click here. Click on
yes.
Click on give here as gender.
Here he will select domain.
Here, right?
The built-in. Why are you selecting built-in? Domain.
Field label also must here.
Sir, for domain we never create domain data element. First time we are creating.
Yes.
That's why I ask.
Gender. Right, you can do it to also gender. Can use same as well.
Acha, it will take.
No, it will take.
So go back onto data type. Okay. Go back second tab. Can you go back on a data type? See, we select domain, but why we didn't provide domain name?
We are giving now.
Right,
you can give here now. Go to here.
So first we will select the field. We'll fill up the field label, right? Then after, okay.
Correct. Now you are going to create.
No active domain. Okay.
Double click here. Click on S. Click on S.
The main difference between domain and built-in is domain is a reusable, right?
No, data element also reusable. So you can give fixed values here. You can see now. You can choose the character data types. Right? By default, one character. Guess either male or female. Go to value range. Go here as.
Both we can use. Then what is the difference? You told the difference between 5 ways. 5 times. What was the difference between two? Both can be created. Both can be reusable, right, sir? Domain also and built-in also.
Yes, we are not at reusable, not concept. Once you do this, you understood more clearly this concept. Now, what is you are restricting is you are restricting the data to insert into the gender field, either only male or female only. Fixed values you have to be. Save it here. Save it. Enter. Check syntax. Activate. Back. Check syntax. Activate. Now go back. Right? Enter now. Activate.
Why multiple time activate?
We have to get technical settings, right, for the table to activate. Then try to insert the data, how it behaves. Save it. Check syntax. Back. Activate. Try to insert the data. Go to utilities. You can insert the data either. How many ways you can insert the data into the table? This is the table.
Utility and
Which transaction codes we can use? Either SC11,
SA11.
here you are creating the table, or SM30.
SM13.
SM30, if you want to create, use the data to insert, what do you need?
SM30 is for user, sir. User can right?
So you
SA11 for developer.
yes, you need a TMZ. Okay. Now I am not going for TMZ. I'll directly, yeah. Or I can create a TMZ also. Take this one. Go to utilities. Development and generator. Copy paste the table name. And use the authorization group. We discussed this in the last session. Here, one step, two step I did. One step I ask you to do as a homework.
Yes, I will do today only.
Okay. Homework should not be at home only.
Now I'm.
Okay. Now click on create. The moment you click on create, what is going to happen?
It will create two screens.
Correct, two screens. And this program also system will create this.
Yes.
Click on create. Use the package. Now system is generating the screens and program. That's why package it is asking.
Then package is compulsory here. It means.
Otherwise, you cannot move this to next system.
Yes.
Now go to this table. Take this table. Go to transaction code by user is going to insert through SM30.
Yes.
View the table. Click on edit. Click on new entries. So employee number is 100. Employee name is Rajesh. Employee city is Bangalore. Now choose here, gender will come only male and female only. See here. This information coming from the domain level here. You can open the domain in the SC11 also. Go to SC11. There is a domain button here. Click here. You can search here as well. What we created just today. I think first one, no? First one, I think, right? Or last one, I think. This is the one. How do you know? Go to here. Check the date and time. 3:30. So what I created today. What I have given here? I have given the option only should be used by the user, either male or female only. This you are restricting the value. Restricting the value.
Yeah, got it.
So that user cannot enter other than these two values. It's mandated to enter these values. And here, right here, save it now. Okay, now M has come. How do you know? You can check it in the table. SC11, go back, go to the contents. Contents means?
Data.
Records. Data. See, it has come M.
Yes.
So like this, if I enter one more record here, new entries, employee number 200. Employee city, I will go as if I choose now F here, right? F is going to insert into the table automatically.
Yes.
This is the concept. What the concept here is, this domain you can't use in the program. It's the interview question. Domain we cannot use inside the table or inside web. We can use only inside the data element. That is the concept.
Hmm.
Very important terminology, word and then syntax. Domain we cannot use inside the table or inside the ABAP program. We can use only inside the data element. Inside the data element meaning is this one only. What meaning of inside the data element meaning is, I go to table here. I go to table, go to the data element. This is the data element scale, this one.
Hmm.
In this only you can use this one here, domain. You can't use in a web program at all. If you want, I can try. Take this. Take
Will-
this.
But but same thing is will work for built-in type, right, sir? Built-in type we can use in program, a web program. Is it?
That is the, if you take built-in type, it becomes only data element without a domain.
Sorry, I didn't get.
If you
So
don't choose the domain, if you choose only this button,
uh,
it is without a domain.
that is correct. That I can understand. But that built-in type will be available to. We can use built-in type data, built-in type in the program also, right?
No, you cannot give that way definition. Definition should be given. Data element can be used in the programs. Okay.
Okay.
Domain
Okay.
cannot be used in the programs. Now also you can use this data element now.
Uh,
But domain you cannot use now. I'll
yes, got it.
show you practically. To go to the program. Get image.
38, right? Yes, 38.
Usage of data element and domain.
Hmm.
Well, today's date is 30 March. Click on create. Usage of domain and data. Go to type executable. Go to executable.
So don't go that much fast. I am very new.
This is same what we have done last session, creating a program only.
The last session, only demo week we have created one program. Then after we didn't create any program.
Program, I think last class also we created one program for data element usage. Data element usage we have created one program.
Hmm.
Now what I do is I create one variable using the data statement. p_gender.
The variable can be created only via data statement, data colon p.
Correct. Now if I write this one, this is a data, not a data element domain here. You can't use that. See here.
If you get
Whereas in this case, if I give a data element v_gender,
type
yep,
type equal
what
type.
is the name of the data element here?
Yes, got it.
Work.
Hmm.
Okay. Why this column I am giving here? Why column I am giving?
Value. It's a value.
Column is continuation of the statements in the ABAP. Still you are continuing.
Colon is a continuous of statement, is it? Okay.
Yes.
Comma.
I can put this comment line number 9 because that is anyway error, right? No.
Asterisk. Start.
The asterisk means this is the I mean commented code, date code.
Hmm.
Now what you can do is, yes, you can use this variable now to insert the data. Suppose you want to insert the data, you can insert here v_gender is equal to e. Sorry, f for example, or m. Now you can use it as a variable, the number 12, what you declared here. Because you are referring to data element. But the properties will come the domain only, character 1 and all. Okay, na? Properties will come from the domain only, the size and data type.
Okay.
Size and data type. Here. ZMAH is the
Data element.
which it has domain. From domain, the data element. Sorry, from the domain, the technical properties. data type,
Size.
data type and length. Where and all which places and all you can use this one, right? In one more real-time point of view. We go to some tables, standard tables. Suppose some flight related tables will be there. SAP will give these tables for our training purpose, flight tables. Suppose if I give flight booking information, flight booking tables, SAP standard tables, this one.
S book.
S book means single flight booking information, flight booking. You see the data here. Go to contents. It contains all the flight information. American Airlines, function ID, flight date, booking ID, customer type, private or business, smoker or non-smoker or smoker, like that. This table contains all the flight data. Demo purpose, this SAP provide. All SAP trainings will go through these tables only, not Mara, Marcy and all. Now if we go back, let's see where domain they are using here. If I go to here, customer type here, double click here, data element, domain, double click here. There is a domain here. You see here, customer type is either P or B only, right? Because either business customer or private customer in the flight.
So all data elements is having value range is there. It's compulsory. It's not compulsory, but it's there, right? Value
Based on the business, we need to use. This case is a good scenario to have the values of these two values. So either only these two values, right? Over there in the flight, only these two are possible, right? Either a person should be as a business customer or private customer. What is the private customer? What is the business customer?
Business customer and private.
In the flight.
Flight.
About the passengers.
Business customers means executive class, right? Executive class.
Wait, not exactly business class, right? See, yesterday I traveled, okay, from Vadodara to Bangalore. So that is booked by not by me, by my consultancy, my vendor.
Okay.
My vendor. So I traveled as a business customer.
Okay.
Okay.
But if you are traveling by own, it is called a private customer.
So someone traveled yesterday from Vadodara to Bangalore, but on personal tour. Become a personal customer. Like any of these two only possibilities, or two or three or maximum like that. Like those cases, we go for the domain, where you can insert the fixed values. One of the case. Now one more here. The smoker concept here. Sorry, not concept. Smoker field here. Do you see here? Yes. Double click the smoker here. Right. Go to domain here. See, smoker, whenever you want to identify a person is smoker or non-smoker, only two options, right? Who is traveling in the flight, 20 people are there. Out of 20, how many are smokers, how many are non-smokers? Only two options, right? Two possibilities. Then go to here, value range, check it here. If the person is not identified, if he is not a smoker, then he'll be, for that field, the data will be empty. If anyone you want to identify as a smoker, then give as a X here. Go back here.
But sir, why are we actually explaining these fields?
What is the purpose? Concept of domain. Now if I go to here smoker, I choose only the smoker. How many people are smokers in this booking? This many people are the smokers. This many bookings has been smoker people. X means if I take off X back, remove the X. Don't use the smokers, non-smokers. X good. Right now, all these people are who are not smoking people, not smoking people. Like this type of simple information, you want to make it as a mandatory to be inserted. We'll go for the domain, important thing, and there are other points also very important. We'll see that In standard tables, if you go right, there will not be any field without a data element. For example, you go to SC11, go to Mara table. We know all Mara table. All we are doing from beginning. Click on display.
Mm.
Go to the
Execute.
every field will be having the domain. Double click here. There is a domain here. Same name. You can give same name also. Data element name and domain name, no problem. Here
Mhm.
also you will be having the domain. Double click. Right? Again, double click here. The domain here. Every field in the table will be data element will be must. Not no, I cannot say must, but they will follow that. For example, if I take a material type here, right? There is a material type field here. Here. Double click here. There is a domain. Every table, every field will be created in association with the domain. We'll see again more features also in the coming class. There is a value table concepts and all there.
So it means if suppose some variable must have some value, for example, gender, male, female, okay, right?
Mhm.
Or that kind of variables, that kind of data element should be used as a domain. You know, it should be
No,
part of domain.
correct. Not only that, there is other options in the domain level. If you go to here,
Mhm.
if you go to, for example, here, or we go to MATL, we go to here, you have these options also. Routine, we'll see what is the meaning of routine and all. Your sign option, case sensitive, this information is also available. If you want to make it these features also to be available for a table field, you must go with the domain, no other option. You cannot do these things in the data element level.
Mm.
And fixed values, of course. And this concept also we'll see in next class. What is the value table? This is sometimes we use not much, very range also if you want to restrict, you can go for range values also. This is not that much useful, though, but this is very useful, this concept. Useful. Okay, I'll stop here.
Yes, sir. Because today's training, I have to practice tomorrow and yesterday, day before yesterday. So today's things I have to practice.
Yeah.